is a video on unboxing the Glowforge Pro 3D laser printer. So it was very, very heavy, very hard to get up the stairs. I'm gonna open up these little, or cut these little straps off of here first, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down and see what side it should be laid on. I decided to take a detour and open up the box that came with it first. So we've got our venting tube, which I am actually not going to use because I bought a heavier duty one with a filter, and I can absolutely show you guys. So Glowforge did say that when opening everything, hang on, I'm just going to set my phone down for a minute. So when opening everything and unboxing everything, you need to keep all the boxes that this came in, because if anything does go wrong with the unit itself, there is a, and you have to send it back, there is a $250 replacement fee for the box to ship it back. This is the crumb tray, and this is what goes on the bottom of the unit. Box was the power cord and some proof grade materials. This is $150 in proof grade materials. They have sent basswood, hardwood, acrylic. I believe there's a piece of leather in here. It might be here. And then some other pieces of wood. So excited to practice on that before my other stuff comes that I ordered. We'll set that down here for now. And now for the big guy. Looks like these protectors came probably to slide it around in the truck. And then when the UPS guy delivered it, he kind of was using these to slide, I guess, to keep the box a little cleaner. Not quite sure which side to open it on. I'm thinking I'm going to have to flip it. Yeah, I'm going to flip this around and put this on the ground. I'm going to grab a hold of this tab and open it. There we go. And again, I know I said this before, but just make sure you save your box, just in case you do have to return it or send it back in for any warranty purposes. I am going to set my phone down here so we can get a better angle here. All right. I'm going to slide this piece out of here. So because it was so heavy to lift up, I am assuming that most of this is packaging, because, let's see, how was this attached here? Because the whole unit itself, when I looked, I think it was like 55 pounds, which doesn't seem that heavy, unless that was for a different model. Figuring out how to get this box open seems to be quite the challenge in itself. But I think we've got it now. There we go. Ooh. That is a beautiful machine. That is a lot larger than I thought it would be. Holy smokes. Cool. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the foam. And we're going to make sure we keep that just in case. I was able to get my machine out of the box onto the table myself. That was kind of a challenge. It was a lot heavier in the box, though, I will say that. So go ahead and take the plastic wrap off of your machine. And to lift it up again, I think I might have my husband or kids assist me to get that off so my back doesn't hurt tomorrow. Okay, next step. The thing you're going to do is remove the orange tape from the front door. And let's put that down. Go ahead and remove this and lift the top. Oh my goodness. This thing is absolutely beautiful. And you can gently open up the front door by your pass-through and just gently remove the foam, and make sure you have your foam kept in that storage box as well. And just gently remove this. see, there are a lot of pieces of foam in this box. We're going to keep all of this foam in here. There are 2 sets of knobs, one right here, or sorry, one set of knobs, and you're just going to slowly remove them. You can twist them and they come out. And then just make sure you store these also in the box. I'm probably going to get a plastic baggie and put all that stuff together. Now remove the back foam, and very gently, it is kind of in here. And this has the cartridge and the lens wipe and the lens. And we're just going to carefully get this out. It's kind of wedged in here. I'm going to store this over here for now, since I am going to be using that. And this foam, again, I'm going to put right into the box. You can now remove the orange tape that's on this. And it is attached to a ribbon underneath. As you can see here, just be very, very careful when taking this off so you don't damage the ribbon. And I'm actually going to set my phone down for this so I can use 2 hands. And remove this clip right here just by pushing down on it. It does kind of take some strength. And of course, store this in your box. And then you're going to very, very gently press this back. There we go. Remove these 2 strips from your side of your machine. And store those. And this is the Pro, and it does have the front pass-through. Now, I am not using the pass-through right now until I get a little more familiar with the machine. And they recommended to do that as well, so you are not damaging anything. So we are now going to just slide our chrome tray in very carefully. There we go. Again, just verify this is all the way to the back, and we're going to press this metal plate all the way to the right. This is our laser, I think they call it the laser head. And we can go ahead and take out our cartridge. This is what the cartridge looks like. There are lenses on it that you do not want to touch. You're going to take your ribbon and slide it right into that little area right there. You can see there is an opening and a clip that matches that. You're going to slide it right into there. Just going to want to slide this right in to the laser head on this side. You'll feel the magnets, and I'll just kind of grab and slide in there. And that is it. That is all you need to do to prep your machine. It is beautiful. Obviously, plug in the power cord and go through this setup, which I will do in the next video.